Look, another question on tangents and normals. Question number 16 in exercise 6.3. Show that the tangents to the curve y is equal to 7x cube plus 11 at the points where x equals 2 and x equals minus 2 are parallel. Two tangents are mentioned here and we have to show that those tangents are parallel. That means their slopes will be equal. Given y is equal to 7x cube plus 11 dy by dx equals 21x square. Slope of the tangent at x equals 2 is 84. Slope of the tangent at x equals minus 2 is also 84. From 1 and 2, we conclude that the tangents are parallel. I think you got it. One more question. Question number 25. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equals square root of 3x minus 2, which is parallel to the line 4x minus 2y plus 5 equals 0. Question number 25. Find the equation of the tangents to the curve y is equal to square root of 3x minus 2, it is parallel to the line 4x minus 2y plus 5 equals 0. Slope of the tangent can be calculated from the equation y is equal to square root of 3x minus 2. And that slope will be equal to the slope of this line. Equating those two, we can find the required result. Now, y is equal to square root of 3x minus 2. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 root of 3x minus 2 multiplied by 3. Chain rule. That's equal to 3 by 2 root of 3x minus 2. Now, slope of the line four x minus 2y plus 5 equals 0. Minus a by b. M is equal to minus 4 by minus 2. That's equal to 2. To find the slope of a line ax plus by plus c equals 0, slope m is equal to minus a by b. Or what is by? By is equal to minus ax minus c, or y is equal to minus a by b x minus c by b. This is of the form y equals mx plus c. Therefore, minus a by b will give you the slope of a line of the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. Here it is, a is 4, b is minus 2. Therefore, minus of 4 divided by b is minus 2. Therefore, slope is 2. Since the tangent is parallel to the line, three by 2 into root of 3s minus 2 must be equal to 2. That is 3 is equal to 4 into square root of 3s minus 2 squaring 9 is equal to 16 into 3x minus 2 or 9 is equal to 48x minus 32 or 41 is equal to 48x and x is equal to 41 by 48. To find y, shall put it here, y is equal to root of 3x minus 2, that's equal to square root of 3 into 41 by 48 minus 2, that is root of 41 by 16 minus 2, that is root of 9 by 16, that's equal to 3 by 4. Answer. the point through which the tangents passes is 41 by 48, 3 by 4. Now we have to write the equation. Equation to the tangents is of the form y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That is to say y minus y1 is 3 by 4 is equal to m, that is 2 into x minus x1. X minus x1 is 41 by 48. Y minus 36 is equal to 96x minus 42. We are multiplying by 48. 48 into y, 48 y, 48 into 3 by 4, that is 12 into 3, that is minus 36. 48 into 2, 96, 96x minus 96, here it is, 21. 8 and 48 cancel. 82. We can divide by 2. Then 24y minus 18 is equal to 48x minus 41. Rearranging 48x minus 24y minus 23 equals 0. First, we found out the slope of the tangent, that is 3 by 2 into square root of 3x minus 2. And this tangent is said to be parallel to a given line. So we equated that slope with the slope of the line, from which we got the point through which the tangent passes. The point is 41 by 48, 3 by 4. The equation to the tangent is given by the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into s minus x1. Y minus 3 by 4 is equal to 2 into s minus 41 by 48. Multiplying by 48, we got the required result. This question was asked for the public examination a few years ago. So, please note the steps. Okay? Thank you.